Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights.
Hey yo, what it do? It's your boy JJ. Welcome back to another video. Hope everybody's having a great day. I kind of took into consideration that I won't be working on the Camaro SS at home. I talked to a family member of mine, and he said that I could bring the car to his shop and work on it there. So yeah, I mean, the towing truck is on his way right now, but as soon as the car gets to his shop, I'm gonna be showing you guys all the damaged parts that I'm gonna be removing in this video. So let's get to it. Alrighty guys, I'm actually at A&A Auto. The customer let me hold it down at the shop here, so I appreciate you, man.
No problem, man.
He's a real one, man. Family, man. It's all family at the end of the day. So the car has finally arrived, and I decided to put it on the hoist and begin stripping out all the damaged parts. If you guys didn't see part 1 of rebuilding the Camaro SS, I'm putting the description down below. You guys can go over there and check out what was all the damaged parts that were done on it.
Make sure you hit like, subscribe to JJ, and share the video.
Hell yeah, that's my baby right there. Make sure you hit the like button, and let's get started. this is the knuckle. It actually hooks up to the strut all the way down. So right here, that's where actually the knuckle was cracked. And the front control arm actually hooks up to it. So, and it was actually greased up. See right there, the ball joint is loose. And I know for a fact once I try to place this back on the new knuckle, it won't adjust right, it won't work right. I might as well replace the front control arm and the knuckle. So let's get back to it. Alright, all the damaged parts are removed off of the car. Mechanical issues and body wise. First things first, I mean, I did actually remove the whole knuckle and the front control arm. Luckily, all of these were still intact. The outer tie rod, inner tie rod, the lower control arm, the Brembo caliper was still intact. The strut still looks straight to me, still looks decent. The lines are good, and the ABS sensor, wheel sensor is still good. The hoses for the radiator, there's no puncture on both ends and both hoses. What else? The damage is clearly right here, all of it. First things first, I took off the radiator and the brace bracket that goes around it. The brace bracket for the fender, as you guys can see, the rim is cracked fully. So I am going to be replacing all of these damaged parts really soon. What else? We got the front control arm, the whole B-ring and knuckle. I'm taking that off. I'm gonna replace that soon as well. The inner fender liner is completely gone. I got rid of that. The front bumper is completely gone. The lower grille, the fog light bezels. I mean, the upper grille, I can still use that. That's still reusable. The fog light and fog light bezel as well. The upper shield, I'm actually gonna remove this whole thing and reuse it on the new bumper. Now, in the next video, I will be putting all the parts onto this bad boy, and I was actually thinking about replacing the front bumper with the ZL1. So let me know in the comments down below if you guys think that's a good idea. If not, I'm just probably gonna keep it stuck. So yeah. Anyways, don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to your boy, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Deuces.
Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights.